Good morning, everybody. It is a glorious day today, and I just want to throw out some thoughts for you. Take a look at how some of the other countries have downgraded the coronavirus to basically a common cold. They've removed their withdrawn their hospitals for their equivalent of the CDC. And I would encourage you to walk in truth, walk in faith. The inventor of the test said you cannot use the test for this type of material, because when you amplify this genetic material to make the test, it could just simply be something as common as stress, whether poison or fear. So don't walk in fear, because that can lower your immune system, but be strong and take charge of your life. Find out the truth of what's going on. Don't let the coronavirus crown another ruler over you. Instead, take charge and wear the crown of your own life. And there's a lot going on out here that makes this look like Agenda 2030 has already been achieved. This is my first time out since this whole massive pandemic got underway, and traffic really is like pre-90s level of traffic. And I want you to not be one of those people who lose their home or get stuck because they don't have the ability to pay their rent or their mortgage, and because they've sat around waiting for permission or waiting for things to return to normal. Don't be one of those people. They've passed a lot of laws, like in California, where they can basically round up homeless people or people who can't take care of themselves and put them into concentration camps. So don't let yourself get so far removed by the little, what do they call it, the march of tyranny, where you just a little step, a little step, a little step. Don't let yourself be removed from your place of power where you can have a home. Now, if this whole event has really made you aware of just how vulnerable you and the economy is, or maybe you're just finally realizing it's just glorious to not work, then click the link below in the description and find out how you can build your own tiny aircrete off-grid cabin with the solar power systems, the water catchment, everything you need for $26 to $30 per square foot, finished and ready to move into. Something you don't have to pay rent and mortgages on, something that gives you the power and the crowning achievement in your life to break free from the matrix. So subscribe if you're interested in this kind of content. You want to know more. I'm going to try to do a webinar next week, and we're going to go over something like how to build your own foam machine. So stay tuned, stay safe, stay well, and above all, be the crowning achievement in your life, and don't walk in fear. Know who you are, take time to find out the truth, and walk in power. And y'all have a great day.